Guys, welcome back to Alexa Kitty 20. Today we're gonna play Animal Jam Classic, and I've started.
Choose and combine
Lol.
lots of different colors.
I'm gonna be with
Change
Nana.
the shape and color of your eyes, and you can create lots of
I'm not done
different
yet.
colorful patterns.
Never mind.
Why don't you give it a try? When you are happy with your new look, use the X button in the corner to exit.
Color me red.
Everyone seems to love the new you.
Yep.
How do you feel about it?
I feel bad.
I know just
Oh, I didn't mean to press that ice cream.
Hey, look! Free stuff!
Hey, look, free stuff. I cannot press it. Okay, so this is a JPC.
Wow! Look at all those gems!
What the?
How many did you find?
Wait. Oh. Whoa, that's a lot.
Wow! You sure are lucky. You'll find more fun ways to get gems
I can't.
as you explore Jama, along with lots
Annoying.
of to spend them. You'll also find lots of games,
Annoying
adventures,
pack.
and even parties. I think you're ready to explore on your own. This way, to Jama!
I'm using a tablet. What's this gift?
Welcome to your den.
Okay, that's a lot of gem. Okay, maybe it's good. Okay, close. Never mind. Whoa, this is my den? Wait, I cannot type. Maybe I should say something. I cannot type. Maybe this is only for PC. Because I'm not playing on PC. I'm playing on something like.
These are your den items.
Yes, shut up, Pack. I'm playing on a tablet. Oof. Okay.
You can move items around by clicking and
Yes, shut up, Pack. Never mind. I don't
You're
need to.
doing great.
Okay, you shit.
I have a gift for you.
Seriously? Okay.
Did you know that you
No, I hate you. Shut up, annoying Pack. Woo. Adventure Base Camp. Well, I'm just gonna search my buddy. How did you hear? Your friend's username, name. Well, I forgot. Man, I cannot type because this is not PC. Maybe I should sit or something. I should go to the sofa. This is so weird. Okay. Wow. This looks very different than Animal Jam Layout. Sit. Oh god. Maybe I should play some games or something. Seriously? This is more different than I thought. Touch pool. Oh, maybe I should play touch pool. Yep. Play. I know. Ooh, hooray. Man, the Ray, help me. Maybe I should grab the starflight. Ooh, it's glitching. Wait, what? Why is this even more different than Animal Jam Play World? I don't need to play games. Wait. Wow, I cannot type or search something. Come on. Let's just play this part. Whoa! Adventure Base Camp? Help me, please. I don't know what to do. Help me, please! I should go to the bridge. Oh, a butterfly! How sweet she is. Whoa! Meet Cosmo. I'm gonna go there. Whoa. Whoa. Is this the phantom? Man. Man. How can I be level 1? Oh, Shop something. Shop. Ooh, what a nice. Ooh, what's this? Whoa, dragon wings. But I'm not a member. Man, I hate this. Well, I'm just gonna find some things that non-members use. Like something. Ooh, a butterfly. Something. I'll buy that. What should I get? Again. Comment down below. What do you think I should get again? Well, now, never mind. Let's just enough shopping. Now, wait. A pet. A pet. Wait a second. This is all for members. I'm not a member. Ooh. What's this? Next. Well, I should name it. I should name it as my Alexa playbook. Yes. Okay, now the eye. Aw, that's so cute. I just want to do this or something. Okay, I think I'm just gonna do the boy. Now, ooh, the nose. Wait, you can change noses? OMG, this is awesome. OMG, this one looks so fat. Wait. Ooh. This one looks perfect. Body? I think it's no pattern. Okay. Wait. Okay. Maybe I should name it like Kitty. Kitty paw. Yes. Adopt this pet. Okay. Yes! Thank you. Oh, my pet. It looks kind of small. I never mean. Need a penguin. Penguins only. Why did I not just make a penguin? Because I just make a rhino because it's almost sold in 7 days. And I cannot chat. I should do something like all members only. Wow, I want to. Oh, why is this a wrong emote? Oh man, I'm a non-member and I don't have any separators or diamonds. Yup! I'm gonna swim. I'm definitely gonna swim. Swim. I'm swimming! Ah, yes, that was refreshing. What's this tunnel? I don't know. I'm not playing it on PC. And I cannot even chat. Duh. What's this? Whoa, is this the Lost Temple of Zeus? Well, maybe. Oh no. Oh! Making buddy with some of them? Peggy, Burrico, or something? Maybe I should go to... It's the same song, but don't worry. Sure, 2. Thank you. Okay, finally. Oh! They're playing on PC! Where's that sapphire shop? Oh, there it is. I do not have any diamonds. Number spin. Join the club. Sorry. Okay, no thank you. I don't know how to get diamonds. Cancel? Okay, now. Oh, it's a goat. Let's just go see all the animals. We'll just go. Are you not here? Arctic wolf too. Oh jeez, I'm gonna cry. Seriously. Paxton. It's annoying. Duh. Shut my den, please. Bye. No, I won't buy. I'm gonna sleep. Sleep. Okay, that's how Horizon sleeps. Well, this looks like the same song as the Sapphire Shop. Wow. What's this? I do not have. Well, these are full members. Wait, I'm gonna adopt another pet. Whoa, world map. How many minutes? It's already 12 minutes. Can I go underwater? Okay. Ooh, a seal or a penguin? Yes, I'll do a penguin. Okay, this is not episode. I finally accept the name. Bye. 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 I can go to the penguins only party. Well. Oops. Okay, go now. What the? I'm gonna customize my penguin then. What is this? Maybe blue or something. Ooh. The eyes. The eyes. Yes. The eyes. This looks scary. Bleh, she died. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. This looks kind of nice. I think this looks nice. The pattern, I don't think we just need it. I think. Oh gosh. Sorry. Okay, there it looks perfect. I look so fancy. Oh, ice cream! How did you get ice cream? Maybe there's something ice cream? Ice cream, please. Oh, what's this? An ice cream? Oh. I'm not having fun. Wow! Lizard. Where's the lizard? For the player. Oh, a goose! Wait a minute. I can't just stand here. This is more weirder than Animal Jam Player Wild. Because I feel like I do nothing. Ugh, I always press mistakes. Ooh, a water. Maybe I should jump something. OMG, it's just tapping so weird. Okay, now I can do the auction. Hop. OMG! I don't mind splashing! This is so weird. Oh my gosh, I'm splashing so much. I'm so splashing. Oh god! Sorry, but everyone has... Some people don't even have rings. Okay, for gold and shoot. Ooh. Okay. Let's go to underwater. Ooh, I can't wait to swim. Whoa! This place is so big. Isn't this place so big? Wait, can I name jammer? New jammer? A badge? I haven't got a badge. Man, it's only for members. Oh, what the heck? For the journey book. Whoa, honey the dog. I just need to meet Cosmo. How do you even know? Okay, well, guys, thank you so much for watching. Like this video and wait. Hit the subscribe button. Oof, wait. Hit the subscribe button.